Good morning, children. So welcome to the EVS class. Next lesson which we are going to discuss is air we breathe. Air we breathe. So do you know, children, how do we breathe? How do we breathe? We breathe through our nose. We take in air and we give out the air. Give out the air. See, let's learn something about the air. Air gurinchi telusukundamu. Okay na? See, chudandi. Needs for air. So, why do we need air? How do we use it? Manam air ni ela use chestamo adi manaku enduku kavalsindi. Chudandi. Every second we breathe in air through the nose. So just now I told. So manamu every second without breathing can we there? If we close our nose, can we be for longer time? No, we cannot be for the longer time with holding our nose close. Okay. So for every second manamu breathing chestuntamu means we are taking the air inside and we are giving the air out. Okay. So through our nose, that is called as breathing. That is called as breathing. See, we also breathe out air. So we also take in, we also take out the air. See, we can feel the air going in and out, can't we? So meeku telustunda, can you feel that you are giving the air out? Once breathe in, once breathe out. So when we are breathing in, also we are taking the air inside. Breathing out also we are giving the air outside. Yes. See, we cannot hold our breath for too long. Can we hold our breath for too long? No, we cannot hold our breath for too long. Ante chaala sepu varaku we cannot breathing ni aapalemu. If we do, we will die. See, we need to take in air all the time. We need air to live. Plants and animals also need air to live. So without air can we live? No, because without air we can't breathe. Air lekunda manam breathing cheyalemu, and if we not breathe we will die automatically. Okay, so air is very much important for all human beings, mostly for breathing. Plants to grow they need air, and also to animals to for the same thing, breathing. Yes, so plants, animals, human beings, everyone need the air, most important. So needs of air are for breathing, we can say. Breathing, most importantly for all humans. Humans is nothing but human beings, manamu. Humans, animals and plants all need air. All need air. So that is about the needs of air. Why do we need it? Okay na? Mostly for breathing, taking out air and giving out, taking in air and giving out air. Okay, children, see here, one did you know is there, all air has a gas called oxygen that we breathe in. So manam lopal teeskunne air adi enti, which one? So air is a mix up of many gases. Air lo chaala gases untayi. So in that one gas that is called oxygen. What it is called? Oxygen. OX, oxy. Y, OXYGEN. Okay, oxygen. That is the gas which we take in. Okay, now global తీసుకునే gas is oxygen. Okay, see children, properties of air. So what are the properties of air? So adi ela untundi, for what it will react, how it will be, we'll learn. Okay, properties of air. Listen, air is all around you. Yes, air is here, here, up, there, back. So all around you, you have air. Okay, can we see air? Can you see the air? No, we can't see the air, but we can feel it. On the fan, can we see the air coming from that? No, but we can feel it. If we off it, we'll start getting sweat. But if we keep it on, we will feel the cool air. Yes, so no, we cannot see the air, but we can feel it. Can we see the air? Manam air ni chudocha? No, but we can feel it. Manakadi feel aitundi. See how one of the activity is given down. You can see, children. Okay na? Meeru idi try just chudandi, then you can understand. Okay. See, turn on the fan, stand in front of it. So see, this girl on the table fan. So table fan on this, daniki mundu ninchunte what happens? All our hairs gets flying. Okay, see, you can feel the cool air blowing on your face. So manaku challa gaali vastundi. Yes, so if we on the fan and stand in front of it, we'll get a cool air feels on our face. See, when you run too, you can feel the air blowing on your face. So fast run cheyandi. What happens? You can see that air is coming on your face. Air is blowing on your face. Okay, so these are the activities you can do. Then you can know. Idi cheste you can know that air, we cannot see the air, but we can feel it. Air is all around us. Okay, na? See, children. So what is the first property of the air? Can't be seen, but we can feel it. Yes, children. So we can't see that, but we can feel, and air is all around us. That is the first property of the air. First property enti edi? Air manam chudalemu, but we can feel it. We can't see, but we can feel it. Okay, children? Clear? See, coming to the next property of the air. See, air fills space. It occupies empty spaces. Air fills space. Ante khali unnadi nimputundi. Air. See, an empty thing if we take and if we fill with air, it will take a space. Fills space, occupies empty spaces. Occupies empty spaces. Okay, children. Now, for example, take a glass. So, in empty space, if we pour the water, water will also fill the glass. So glass తీసుకొని అందులో వాటర్ వేస్తే వాటర్ ఆల్సో ఫిల్స్ ద గ్లాస్. వీ కెన్ సీ ద వాటర్, అందులో వాటర్ ఫిల్ అనేది వీ కెన్ సీ. బట్ ఎయిర్ ఆల్సో ఫిల్స్ ద స్పేస్. ఎయిర్ కూడా స్పేస్ ఫిల్ చేస్తుంది, బట్ ద థింగ్ ఈస్ వీ కెనాట్ సీ. వాటర్ని ఎలా అయితే చూడొచ్చో వీ కెనాట్ సీ ద ఎయిర్. ఓకేనా? ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, టేక్ అ బెలూన్. So on a birthdays on different things, on colors days in our school, we'll bring the balloons, color balloons. We'll blow it. So what we are blowing, మనం blow చేసేటప్పుడు బయటికి ఏం blow చేస్తున్నాము? It is nothing but air. మనం బయటికి ఏం blow చేస్తున్నాము? Means what it is coming? Air is coming out of our mouth. So with that air, the balloon fills and it will come into the shape. Balloon no amudute blow chestunte, why it getting expand? Because air is filling the space. So air anedi andlo fill aitundi kabatti that balloon gets expand. Okay, children, so try that. See here, you can do different also. One of the example is, take a small plastic bags. So mana daggara plastic bags untai. This one will bring vegetables in it. So take one plastic bag, oka plastic bag teeskoni flatten it and then turn it around. See how air fills up the bag and puffs it up. So daniki tight ga oka corner pattukoni tippandi kindiki. Okay, children? So wait 1 second. Okay, children, so take the plastic cover at a corner, hold it tight and turn it around. Okay, turn this nappudu you will get like this, air fill inside it. Okay, then if we burst it, you will get a sound. Yes, so mostly we will do this one. Manam chala salu chesi untam ila. So take a small plastic bag, flatten it and then turn around. See how the air fills up the bag and puffs it up. Okay, children? So one more activity is, just now I told the balloon one. Okay, try this also. See, when you blow into a balloon, it becomes big. Why do you think so? So why this happens? Why do you think so it becomes big? Air fills inside the balloon. Enduku balloon manam udinappudu it becomes big. Why it happens, children? So air fills the space in the balloon. Okay, air gets filled in the balloon. Endukante andulo air fill aitundi balloon lo, so that it becomes big. Okay. So the next property is air fills space, occupies empty spaces. Okay children, see the next activity. Like everything around us, air also has weight. So like everything around us, this book, chair, chalk piece, me, this spangle, dress, everything has some weight. Okay na? Weight ante enti? Baruvu. Weight ante baruvu. So ento konta daniki baruvu untundi. So everything has some of the weight. Water also has, rice also has, different things. Anything can have the weight. And air also has weight. Air also has weight. What is the third property of air? Air also has weight. Air kuda weight untundi. See how can we know that? Activity children. See, do these all activities, okay? And after doing, send the pics to me of your activities, how you are doing, okay? See, tie string around a middle of a long thin stick. So, what you should do first? Okay, stick teeskondi, tie a string to it. Okay, children, tie a string to it. Tomorrow I will show you in the next class all these activities. Okay, you also try to do. So, take a long stick, tie a string to it, and take two balloons. Take two balloons. So, em cheyali? One balloon should be blown with air and one balloon normally tie chesesayandi. Okay, and then hold the string. Manam stick ki edaithe middle lo string kattam kada aa string pattukoni chudandi. Normally మనం వెజిటబుల్స్ తీసుకెళ్ళినప్పుడు చూస్తాం కదా, ఏదైతే ఎక్కువ వెయిట్ ఉంటుందో that will come down and which is less weight that will go up. రెండు ఈక్వల్ ఉంటే it will be in this way. Yes, ఇది బరువు ఉంటే ఇది కిందికి వచ్చేస్తుంది and this will be up. ఇది పెరుగుంటే this will come down and this will go up. Yes, and if both are equal, it will be in a same equal position. Yes, so balloon, one balloon tie which is expanded one and one balloon normal. Okay, and which balloon will come down? Which balloon will come down? The balloon which is blown. The balloon which is blown will come down. Enduku అందులో air fill అయి ఉంది and air has weight. అందులో air fill అయి ఉంది కాబట్టి దానికి కొంచెం weight ఉంటుంది. ఆ balloon normal balloon కంటే అది weight ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి అది కిందికి వచ్చేస్తుంది. Okay children, clear? So do this activity at home. Okay, and after doing, take a clear picture of the activity which you have done. Send a pic in the WhatsApp. Okay, so air also has weight. So these are the three properties of air. Okay, see the balloon with, down you have a question. The balloon with air in it will make the balance tip down. Can you guess why? Because air has weight. Because air has weight. Okay children, write the answers there and try to do the activities. Okay, so in the next class we will learn uses of air and making air clean, how to keep the air clean. In the next class we learn till I go with this. Okay, try to do the activities also. Okay.